Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can put resources in the collection box. So it's the same for all of the Fashion Week events. You'll have a box in front of your house, but if you just play, you're just going to interact with it. You will need to submit the flowers, the bird info cards, which I need to get some because I sold all of them. Some fishes, some shells, which will be pretty easy, and some star fruits and foods as well. But yeah, basically you're just going to select it. I'll just select the ones that I have, that's a lot, which is the daffodils. And then I'll do the squid for this. And then I'll do oh, I cannot do the cracked shell, so I'll just do this one. And then I'll do some star fruits, and then I'll do these later because I don't have that. You also get some tokens from the activity section here, the collector's challenge basically. And this is if you reach 100% progress. You can also fill other people's boxes, and I believe you'll get a title as well. I'll have to let you know what title you get though from um like putting 100 resources, I guess. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.